Ari Campbell, and my favorite way to de-stress is to set up my calendar and get super organized. So this calendar is really awesome. I got it from Michael's for $40. I start usually every week by putting together a giant to-do list of everything that I need to get done, and then based on the due dates of everything, I schedule out what's going to be done on which day. At the end of each day, I put together a routine for the following day by the hour, including all of my personal things like my morning routine, my night routine, the meals that I'm going to eat, and all of my big due date assignments go on the monthly calendar. So my exams, when my projects are due, my duty shifts, all that sort of stuff. I basically, when I like to get structured, I feel like I have control over a situation. So it's definitely a good way to stay on top of things, especially when we're moving to remote learning. If you don't know where to start with how to get structured, check out Pinterest for some really great ideas. And as always, go Bulls!